Good morning, students. We are doing chapter number 17, that is economic problems and challenges, poverty and unemployment. Now, it was a big chapter. We had studied about the poverty, its element, then government rules, or you can say government efforts for reducing poverty, then employment, types of employment, various government deeds for the generation of employment. So now this is the last part of the chapter. Okay, so here we are going to study the various efforts taken by the government for the generation of employment. Yes, now we had done up to 5 point of efforts taken by government for the reduction of for the generation of employment. Now we'll come to the 6 point. See now, Labour Ministry of Indian government and state government have implemented ambitious program like Make in India. और कोई डायलॉग पता हो ना हो, ये डायलॉग ऑलमोस्ट सबको पता होगा, मेक इन इंडिया. इट वॉज द स्लोगन गिवन बाय श्री नरेंद्र मोदी, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, इन 2014 इलेक्शन रैली. ठीक है, मेक इन इंडिया. सी नाउ, मेड इन इंडिया एंड मेक इन इंडिया, देयर इज अ बिग डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू स्टेटमेंट. मेड इन इंडिया मतलब प्रोडक्ट विच इज़ मेड इन इंडिया एंड ऑथोराइज मतलब जो इंडिया का प्रोडक्ट है. ओके, एंड मेक इन इंडिया मतलब वी आर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग द थिंग ओवर हियर. इट इज़ नॉट अ लीगलाइज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इंडिया, it is a product of some other country, but they established their plant over here. मतलब workload is of work labor is of India and the thing is of another country, that is make in India. So there is a difference between made in India and make in India. Then skill India and digital India. Now skill India मतलब the young generation or the people who get skill in various activities, or you can say in various artist, what you can say, maybe good in furniture, good in electric or anything. So that is skill India, to develop the skill of the youth. Then comes digital India. You all are very much aware about this digital India. Okay, nowadays पहले तो if you think about before 10 years or before 15 years, there was nothing like doing transaction on मोबाइल से transaction हो, या आज तो सब घर में बैठ के हो जाता है. इवन वी गेट वेजिटेबल्स एट होम through mobile. So everything is made digital. That is digital India, to enhance knowledge, understanding, enthusiasm and work capacity of youth along with the industrial development. For this, educational and training program have been set up to develop skill. Yes, education and training program. ये ऐसे कैसे तो नहीं होगा. There must be some programs who give you instruction and guidelines how to work on this. Technical colleges and universities have been set up nationwide. They should provide education facility as per the vocational curriculum and modern technology. If we still go on the 1950s की जो education system थी, अगर हम उसको follow करते रहे, then we won't be able to catch our legs with the world. Okay, हम लोग अपनी speed world के साथ नहीं match कर पाएंगे. That's why there should be a change in the educational programs also. As per the new technology, education content should get changed. Efforts are being made to fulfill requirement of employment through near curriculum in schools and colleges, vocational and technical education. At present, higher institutions like IIT and IIM, Indian Institute of Technology and Indian Institute of Management, are being established in most of the states of our country. Yes, IIT first it was in 6 big cities of India. Now, as it is written over, they have started developing in various states of India. So, the efforts is to make more and more people aware of the new technologies. Next comes 7th point, that is government has opened new areas of employment to plant manpower. Lots of employment opportunities is there in computer technology, information technology, pharmaceutical, business management, packing and processing, outsourcing. What is outsourcing? बाहर की कंपनी का काम हम इंडिया में बैठ के करें, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड आउटसोर्सिंग. मार्केटिंग, कैटरिंग, इवेंट मैनेजमेंट, ऑफिस मैनेजमेंट, होटल मैनेजमेंट, शेयर, स्टॉक मार्केटिंग, एक्सेट्रा. So new curriculum has been set up in the university fulfilling local requirement. Yes, new curriculum पूरा यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में डेवलप हुआ है ये सब चीज़ों को डेवलप करने के लिए. इसके कोर्सेज होते हैं क्योंकि दिस इज़ द नीड ऑफ प्रेजेंट एरा. Accordingly, curriculum of education, training and teaching has been changed so that it may fulfill the requirement of job in future. At the end of acquiring education, short-term diploma or certificate courses have been started to fulfill the need of manpower, like course in spinning, weaving, tanning, plumbing, radio, TV, fridge, mobile, AC repairing. So these are the things. AC, every, all, not every you can say, but every three houses out of five might be having AC. So इसका काम बढ़ जाता है. Mobile, every person now is having mobile. So these are the new job opportunities. If you think before 10 years, yeah, before 20 years, there was no job related to mobile or related to, there may be, but in very few was very few requirement. Okay, so this new courses have been started to to increase the employment and to give more manpower work. As a result of revolution in the field of automobiles, electronic, computer science, genetic science, aerospace, robot making, new courses have been started in order to produce skilled artisans. See now, revolution in the field of what? Automobile, electronic, computer science, genetic science. Revolution matlab a big change in these fields. Okay, so you require a skilled artisan who knows this work. Engineers and technician. It is tried to provide loan at less rate of interest to the entrepreneur under the Startup India for promoting new business. अगर आप लोग न्यूज़ रिसेंटली पढ़ते हो तो कई स्टार्टअप्स, स्टार्टअप मीन्स व्हाट, द पीपल हु वांट टू स्टार्ट दैट बिजनेस ऑन अ वेरी स्मॉल स्केल, दीज आर कॉल्ड स्टार्टअप्स. ओके, कई लोग mutual coordination has become possible because of cooperation between local industries and training institute, so that as per local requirements, supply of labor could be made for generating employment. And in place of white collar job employment should be fostered with government economic help. See, placement. What is this? The meaning of this thing is cooperation between local industries and training institute. It means placement done by the college or universities. Okay, so there is tie-up between the local institutes and the colleges or universities for after completion of you will recruit our student over here. There is a tie between two things. इनको एम्प्लॉयमेंट चाहिए, इनको जॉब देनी है. So both work simultaneously. For this purpose, such an environment and proper and strong structure should be created that educational courses and education expenses become cheaper and admission become easy. So this is in short artisan matlab skill work you can say. Okay, then comes, it is necessary that new business industry should be set up for the industrial growth and generating new employment opportunities. See, जो पहले था वो क्या था, इंसान अब इंडिविजुअली अपने आप से काम कर सकता है. ओके, इफ़ यू आप इसको क्या कह सकते हैं, यू कैन से इट लाइक स्किल आर्टिसन. What we say in Gujarati, I'm not getting the word. And here it is about the job. There is job between the thing which you own do and for which you work for someone others. So this point number 8 is for the generation of the job, and this was for getting. The previous one was making person skilled in various field. So investment is essential along with the development of skill, cooperation to increase entrepreneur among youth. In order to promote opportunities of self-employment, government has started many plans for providing financial help at low rate of interest for small investment for various purpose to purchase, implement small margin, raw material or office furniture initially, along with the help of selling or produce goods. Yes, this is for you can say starting up your small business. Okay, you will start a business and you can provide job to a number of person like that. Efforts have been started to provide technical and commercial knowledge, managerial skill, with the efforts of bank, economic help of financial institute, economic easy loan facility, local businessmen and welfare organization. Women have been provided self-employment by setting up small household industries. Yes, if a woman wants to set up household industry, then they can easily get loan at a low rate of इंटरेस्ट. सो ऐसी कई सारे प्रोग्राम्स योजनाएं गवर्नमेंट ने बाहर निकाली सो दैट अ पर्सन कैन गेट सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड, अपने आप से एम्प्लॉयड हो सके, अपने आप से अपना बिजनेस कर सके. दस कमिंग आउट ऑफ द ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेस अ न्यू फॉर्म ऑफ मेंबर्स ऑफ फैमिली वॉज prepared with which expanded the horizon of new business and industrial sector. आजकल लोग अपने बिजनेस को प्रमोट भी कर सकते हैं. You know that GoDaddy.com, and there are number of even on FB you can see there are number of groups who publish their product to make known to the सोशल मीडिया की वजह से हम पूरे दुनिया में अपनी प्रोडक्ट को भेज सकते हैं, उसकी एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट कम्स Employment Exchange Center works as a chain between unemployed and owners who were in search of such youth who were looking for employment, laborers, workers or educated skilled and unskilled labor. Yes, Employment Exchange Center are what? These are the centers जहाँ पे जाके you go and register your name, you register your degree and the work you want, and then the people who are in search of work will come over there, they will talk, and through their work as a mediator between a person who wants to get work and between a person who wants to give work. They work as so Employment Exchange Center work as a mediator. This organization provides authentic information regarding registration of educated unemployed, his place and type of work. It gives guidance in choosing one's own career. This center provides sufficient information through magazines like Rozgar Karkedi. It provides free services through Model Career Center and helpline number. The number has been given over here. So, important information, skill program, employment fair, etc. Employment fair आपको पता होगा कई बार कई cities में employment fair होते हैं. Over there you go, you give your resume or curriculum vitae, and then they will contact you if they are in need of you. So such things are organized. Till 2015, there was 497 employment exchange centers in our country, in which till 2030, 468.23 lakh unemployed had registered all over the country, while in Gujarat, 8.30 lakh unemployed had registered their names. See, now I don't know how much this works. नाम तो कई सारे लोग आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग देयर कॉलेज many of the students give their name over here. How much of them get work? That is a question. But these are the proportion of unemployed. Okay, on paper. ऑफ पेपर तो बहुत ज़्यादा होंगे, बट दीज आर ऑन पेपर जिन्होंने यहाँ पे अपना नाम लिखवाया दैट दे आर इन सर्च ऑफ वर्क एंड आर नॉट गेटिंग द वर्क. वर्ल्ड लेबर मार्केट. When change of labor is there among nations of the world, it is called world labor market. Yes, change outsourcing, I told you, it is one form of that only. World labor market, change of labor between two countries or among the various countries. When laborers migrate from one country to another for employment, business, training or higher education, it is called movement of labor at international level. Walkout of brain power for educational knowledge, higher technical knowledge and skill development in search of more income, more facility, better job in brain drain or migration at international level. Now all of us or most of us want to go in foreign countries and settle over there. Okay, अगर सब ना हो then you can say nearly 70-80% of the people always dream to go to foreign and work over there and live over there. And they get, even they, if they work hard, they can get job over there. Fine. So migration at international level, they do get migrate at the international level for the search of job. Then because of the increasing social status, recently countrywide mobility of labor become popular in noteworthy manner. As a result of migration to other countries or due to permanent settlement of intellect and talented people who have spent lot of money on them, facing a great flaw of personalities having talent and intelligence, technical knowledge and scientific attitude. See, personally this is a problem. I believe that this is a problem of India. यहाँ पे लोग पढ़ते हैं, बहुत अच्छा पढ़ते हैं, and then they give, उनकी जो knowledge है वो use कहाँ पे हो जाती है? बाहर की country में. ओके, वहाँ पे जाके उनको जॉब चाहिए. सो ब्रेन पावर इज ऑफ इंडिया एंड विच गेट यूज्ड इन सम अदर कंट्रीज, फॉर सम अदर कंट्रीज. It is an individual perspective. No one can object it. But as an Indian, I do believe that if you are studying in India, at least use some of your knowledge over here. Then you can get settled over there. But Indian engineers, Indian doctors study over here and then they go to foreign countries and give their service over there. As a result of globalization and liberalization, a new situation has started rising in our country. In the present time, demand of people having knowledge and skill, information technology, communication technology, biotechnology, computer or medical has increased. Many countries are appointing such people who have special qualification and skill as trained expert labor and experts. They adopt attractive tactics and practices with high perks. High perks means you get every facilities over there. So obviously individual will like to go over there. Industrial firms send their employees to foreign countries to obtain required qualification and knowledge and skills so that they may survive the competition. This is a part of international migration. Like several receives foreign exchange as a part of income due to migration of people to foreign countries for job. See, there is plus point also, there is minus point also. As I said that brain power of India is used by some other country. But at the same time, because people of India live in the foreign countries, we get foreign exchange in lot of proportion because they transfer their money over here to their parents and in various form. So because do they work over there, we get foreign exchange. आप इस तरीके से भी देख सकते हो. There is always positive negative point in everything. So because of the flow of foreign money in our country, in this way problem for foreign exchange is solved to certain extent. Matlab this is a positive point and what I said that was a negative point. It depends what we see in a thing. Okay, so this was a chapter of poverty and employment. It was a big chapter. I had finished this chapter over here and try to learn the basic points over here. The characteristic of poverty, reasons of poverty, reasons of unemployment, types of unemployment. Okay, we'll do MCQ right now only. Yes, now the first question is which state in India has highest rate of poverty? So its answer is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is a state neighboring of MP. MP से अलग हुआ है in the year 2001 or 2003. So it's a state with the highest poverty. It is also known as sugar bowl of India. Chhattisgarh state, याद रखना. What is the rate of poverty in India in 2011-12 in crores? What was the rate of poverty? It was 21.92 crores. See, this is a data, बहुत पुराना data है, and now we are 10 years ahead चले गए, फिर भी अभी we are studying this. But that is written in textbook. The answer is 21.92. Next comes which scheme has been started to connect women empowerment, skill development training and self-employment and market. The answer is C, that is Mission Mangalam Yojana. C, okay, not D, it is C, Mission Mangalam Yojana. In which Indian state is the rate of unemployment found to be the highest? Rate of unemployment. The answer is C, Kerala. See, Kerala is the most literate state of India, but then too the rate of unemployment is highest in Kerala because the state do not have employment generation scheme that much which other state do have. Fifth, which scheme was implemented under the Food Security Act in Gujarat? It was Ma Annapurna Yojana. A. Which scheme encourages unemployed youth with new ideas to become entrepreneur and get self-employed? It is Make in India. Okay, this scheme helps to get self-employed. Make in India. And last one is which institute, the institute which registered unemployed person to eradicate unemployment is Employment Exchange Center. Okay, so this chapter is over here. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.